going fishing before a storm. What could go wrong? Yeah, I gotta get out of here. This isn't cool. I'm not digging it. Wrong wind or something. I'm going down. Nothing good's gonna happen. Nothing good. Sometimes you just gotta know when to call it. And that time is right now. Come here, Mr. Smalley. Boom! No skunk today, folks. Oh, got that hook in pretty good. The old faithful green twisty tail. Nice little smallie. Check him out. There he is. Got him. Got him. Smallie number 2 on the day, live on camera. He's not that big. Let's see how big he is. Last one was bigger. He's about just shy of 10 inches. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is he? Oh, he's nice. Striper. Oh, striper. In the eyeball. Striper in the eyeball. Hey, buddy. Sorry about that, buddy. Striper in the eyeball. Now that's what we came here for, right there. Here, let's get this out your eye. Oh man, I'm sorry, buddy. Oh. The flicker shad, baby. Producing yet again. Open up, buddy. Open up, buddy. Hi there, big guy. Fishing the bridge. Nice little striper action. Let's see what we got here. About a 13-incher, baby. Bam.